A neat garage that's crawling with pests is not a neat garage at all. And if your stuff is stored neatly but improperly, you could be looking at a disaster. Avoid the heartache and keep these items safely indoors. Today I'm talking about the biggest mistakes people make in their garages. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy with Organise to Excel. Subscribe to our channel for more practical solutions for everyday issues. Things that are affected by extreme heat, cold, or humidity belong inside your home or in a climate-controlled storage unit, not in your garage. So these include important documents. Don't lose your marriage certificate or your rare vintage Pokemon cards to water damage. High humidity or floods can render valuable items useless. Photos. Heat and damp can cause them to fade prematurely. Vinyl records can warp at high temperatures, and wine, which should be kept at a consistent temperature. Delicate clothing that can mold and rot, and paintings don't do well in fluctuating temperatures either. Heat can make old house paint unusable, and wooden furniture absorbs moisture. Don't store food for humans or pets in the garage. Mice and rats are expert chewers and can gnaw through packaging in a heartbeat. Storing food in the garage is basically offering free room and board for anyone who can crawl, sneak, or chew their way inside. Don't give that mouse a cookie. Mice and bugs don't affect only food either. They can chew up documents and clothing too. And do you really want to wear something that you probably didn't have little bug feet on it? Not for me, thanks. Drop off hazardous materials like e-waste, old paint, used motor oil, sharps, and medicine at designated drop-off points or events. For more information on hazardous waste disposal in Los Angeles, see the comments below. And propane tanks must be stored in a well-ventilated area. A closed garage is not the right place for them. No cardboard. Don't store anything you truly value in a cardboard box. They're inexpensive and convenient, but offer zero protection from water or rodents. If there's a leak or a flood, your items will get wet. Use metal or preferably recycled plastic containers for more security.